Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about the amplitude. So now I want to show you how to answer. The first thing we need to know that we want to do about factorization. But the first thing we need to find about capital 8, that is about the square root of this number to the power of 2 plus number 4 to the power of 2. We calculate this one and we have number 5. So that's the first step. The next one we can do about factorization by number 5, and we have like this. Next, we know that we can use about cosine of cosine of number 3 over number 5, and this one they will equals to sine of cosine this one we have 3 over 5. This one we have sine of cosine 4 or 3 over 5, and this one that is about 4 over 5. Now we need to transform this one into this one, and this one that is about this one. So we can see that we have the formula in here. And this one that is about sine of A plus B. Now we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. And now we can see that the number 5 in here, that is about the amplitude of this function. So capital 8 equals to number 5. This is the end. Thank you for watching.